Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all some amazing fragrances you can definitely give to your guy. So if you are looking for some good gift option and you want to gift fragrances to your guy but you are confused as in which fragrance to give to your guy, then you are at the right place. Please keep on watching. This video is gonna be super quick, so let's just start with the products already. So I have one set which is a perfume, and I also have body sprays for you guys. So I went ahead and purchased 3 body sprays for Bath and Body Works. Also these things are for Vivek, my fiance. I have chosen this for him and I'm gonna gift him whenever we meet next time. So I thought let's just share this with you as well, because I know everybody looks for gifting option and it's very confusing to gift to your guys. So yeah, let's start with the body sprays now. I got this body sprays from Bath and Body Works, and everything I got from Nykaa. So I will definitely put the links in the description bar below. You have to check that out if you wish to purchase this. So this body sprays retails for $12.99 each, and I got this on this offer where you have to, like, it was buy 2 get 1 free. So I thought this is a perfect opportunity to get this body sprays, because we all know about Bath and Body Works is very popular for their fragrances, and I had to try their body sprays as well, especially for guys. So the first I got is it's called Atlantic by Bath and Body Works body spray. Now this body spray, it's like the tone of this fragrance is almost like this citrus, sea and mist and kind of a fragrance. So you can obviously use this fragrances at the morning or before going to the gym, or even throughout the day just to refresh yourself. I think it's gonna be perfect, and we can definitely trust this brand. So I'm sure these body sprays are gonna last you around 7 to 8 hours, like easily. That is like minimum hours, I'm telling you. So this definitely will last you that much at least. So yeah, this Atlantic is almost like as I said, it's citrus and sea mist kind of a fragrance, and yeah, it smells amazing. Like all of the fragrances are gonna smell amazing, that's why I'm recommending you. So yeah, this one is the first. I'm gonna obviously give you the close-ups as well so you can get the better idea. But yeah, this is the first bottle. It's pretty tiny for me, because of the price. Like, it's definitely very expensive, but once in a while we gift our guys, so that's okay, we can spend this much definitely. So this one is for 104 grams and it retails for 12.99 rupees. Now the second fragrance I chose was this Ocean by Bath and Body Works body spray. Now this one is more like those fresh and airy smell. How do I explain this to you? Yeah, almost like aqua. Yeah, that's the right word for the fragrance. So this one is more like aqua and beachy smell, if you can relate with me. So that this one is the next thing. You can definitely try this out. Now the final body spray I have is again from the Bath and Body Works, and it's their teak wood body spray. Now as the name suggests, this definitely smells like teak wood, and it also has hint of lavender scent in it. I can feel the lavender scent as well. And yeah, almost all of 3 are not pretty strong. They are between mild and between mid and strong. So it comes in that category. It's not mild at all. It is little stronger, but not something like you cannot take it. So yeah, all of these are amazing. You definitely should try this, and you can give this to your guy, and your guy is gonna love this, love you for this one for sure. You can obviously give this to your father, your brother as well if you wish to, or any men in your life actually. But yeah, these are the first body sprays I got for Vivek, and you can also try this out if you are looking for some body sprays for your guys. Now the last thing we are only at the last product, and as I said, this video is going to be real quick. So I went ahead and chose this gift set box, and I think you can only get this and you will be sorted, because it itself looks like a gift and you don't have to wrap this around anything with any wrap or anything. So yeah, that's a great thing. Now it's from the brand called Burberry, and this one retails for rupees 5,500. I know, very expensive, but you can totally gift this on a special occasion like your anniversaries or birthdays or something like this. So yeah, this one is from the brand Burberry. And I'm gonna show you everything in detail. So this is how the sleeve comes out, and you have this ribbon as well. So I'm going to try to open this without, you know, losing its shape, so I can put it back and gift as it is. Yeah, so we have removed the ribbon, and when you open this, the perfume actually looks wait, how do I open this? Yeah, it's open now. So when you open this, the the bottle will look something like this. I am in love with this one. It's classic black color and it's very masculine looking. So yeah, I'm sure you're gonna, like, you know, your guy is gonna love this gift as well. Now this comes with a full size bottle and a travel size bottle as well. So if your guy is someone who travels a lot, then this can be a perfect gift for them, because we cannot, you know, travel with such humongous bottle. Like, wait, let me show you the actual bottle. So it's actually very heavy and it's very, you know, big and chunky bottle, and it also comes with this travel size bottle which you can definitely travel with. So both the fragrances are same, like they are the same thing but just in a different size. Now it's called Mr. Burberry. If you can see, I don't think the light is reflecting a lot. Yeah, it says Mr. Burberry over here, and this fragrance is almost like very crisp and, you know, roasted wooden smell, you can say. So yeah, it's very masculine as well. It's little stronger, and yeah, I'm sure everyone is gonna love this because it's very, you know, universal fragrance. Yeah, nobody can really hate the smell. So this can be a perfect gift option as well. You can, you know, skip the body sprays and you can just gift this one if it's a very special occasion, and yeah, it's gonna look amazing, and your guy or your brother or your father gonna feel amazing as well, because it's kind of a high end. It's definitely high end for me because 5,000 rupees is a lot actually. So yeah, you can consider, if you are looking for some expensive fragrances and something that your guy will fall in love with, then this can be a perfect gift option. So yeah, that was all I have today for you, and I hope that this was helpful for some of you and I solved some of your confusion or your you know, problems. So that was all for today's video. You can also check out my previous gifting option for guys. If you are looking for some extra stuff to give to your guys, I have made that as well. You can check that out. I will put the link over here or in the description bar below as well, so you can check that out as well. That was all for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Let me know in the comment bar below if you want me to make more gifting ideas for guys, because I love gifting stuff and I'm sure I can help or most of you out. That was all for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, share this with your friends and family, especially who are looking for some gifting option, and I'm sure you're gonna help them out a lot. Yeah, that was all. Thank you so much again, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, share this with your friends and family, and you can wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.